In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a folder from your workspace in Visual Studio Code. This is a quick and simple process, but it can really help keep your projects clean and organized, especially when you're working with multiple folders at the same time. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. If it isn't already running, go ahead and launch the app the way you normally do. Once Visual Studio Code is open, you should see the Explorer panel on the left side of the window. This is where all the folders and files in your current workspace are listed. Now, look through the Explorer panel and find the folder that you want to remove from your workspace. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct folder, because removing it from the workspace will hide its files from this current view. Don't worry though, this action does not delete the folder or its contents from your computer. It simply removes it from the current Visual Studio Code workspace. When you've located the folder you want to remove, move your mouse over that folder name in the Explorer panel. Then right-click on the folder. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove Folder from Workspace. Go ahead and click on that option. As soon as you do, Visual Studio Code will remove that folder from the list in your Explorer panel. You'll notice that the folder and all of its files no longer appear in your workspace. Again, the actual folder still exists on your disk. It's just no longer part of this particular workspace setup. If you ever need to bring it back, you can simply add it again using the Add Folder to Workspace option from the File menu or the Explorer view. This is especially helpful when you're working on large projects or multiple related projects and want to temporarily hide folders you're not actively using. It keeps your workspace tidy, reduces visual clutter, and makes it easier to focus on the files that matter most right now. And that's all there is to it. Open Visual Studio Code, select the folder in the Explorer, right-click, and choose Remove Folder from Workspace.